been a week and 3 days.
Yeah, a week and 3 days.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
So, as you might be able to tell by my voice, this is like one of my best days. It's not the vid. It's not the big co and the vid. Heidi's taken 2 tests. I've taken 3 tests. 2 self-administer, 1 at the VA emergency room up in Cleveland. But we haven't been doing any videos or any coverage since what you just saw. And you're probably not going to see anything here for a couple more days because I'm just not in the mood for it. But I did get out and about today. So yeah, we're trying to repair ourselves here. So welcome back to Ohio. I don't know why we got sick. It's just a weird cold or virus, something in my ear. It's ringing and coughing, and it's been going on for a little bit.
Yours is 10 days today.
Yeah.
And mine is just over 2 weeks.
Yeah. Heidi still has like tunnel hearing.
Yeah, it's weird.
But anyway, so I thought we better jump on here and let you know. And we're confined to showing you just this because it is really disastrous. We got
Medicine laying everywhere.
we got all kinds of stuff just laying everywhere. We're not going to show you.
Well, we have projects.
Yeah, we got some projects. That
Not garbage projects either from the refrigerator.
Right. Yeah. But
this is not what we expected.
Yeah.
For sure.
I do have some reviews coming up, as I mentioned before. We've got stuff at her mom's house in boxes we haven't even opened. I've got some things that I did open that I haven't really talked about. But all right, off here. Bye.